Dear insert name of creator here, after years of making blah 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 Mini-Saber Gen 2 funding the creation of real lightsabers, come on, you can't even write me a real letter, James? After we collabed 2 times? In all seriousness though, I am a daily driver, yes, literal daily user of the original Hacksmith Mini-Saber, which was a little blowtorch style lighter that was designed to look like whatever they could find to rebrand off of AliExpress. But the Gen 2 is different. This one, they've done their own ID for, that is industrial design, and ooh, I haven't actually seen it in person yet. This looks pretty cool. They've made some tweaks to the ignition mechanism, which is still piezoelectric, but has been repositioned to help it fire more consistently. They have improved the ergonomics. I believe this is the dial for adjusting the flame height. And they have vastly increased the fuel capacity. I think they said by 3 times, so it can run for a solid 15 minutes at full tilt. They've also added the ability, and I have no idea how to do this yet, but I'm sure we'll figure it out, to put these little salt crystals in it to change the color of the flame. Oh wow, that is a lot of packaging for 2 mini-sabers and a thing. Okay, well, anyway. The point is, I'm not actually mad. Thank you, James and team, for sending over this care package, and I am super excited to try this thing out. Paint job leaves a fair bit to be desired. Look, just because we're friends doesn't mean that I'm not gonna critique the product. This is not the world's greatest paint job. If it fixes my issues with the old one, which mainly are down to inconsistency of ignition, inconsistency when you're running it upside down, which I know is a real challenge with these style lighters, and also limited fuel capacity, then honestly, I'll be pretty stoked. Ooh, color changing insert. How many do you get in a pack? Oh wow, you get a whack of them. And then you just huck that on there and it's grade 10 science class all over again. You put the little metal in the flame and then you get a color. How much do these cost?
$15.
15 bucks a pack. Ooh. Okay, how long does each one last? 1 to 2 minutes, good gravy. Cool party trick, but maybe not the kind of thing that I would just keep buying every time I want to, see a cool color or whatever. I mean, I don't know, you compare it to like what fireworks cost. I guess it's not that unbelievable. Should we go try it? See if we can burn some stuff. Are we burning stuff? Is that the idea? All right, let's do it. I guess step 1 before I cook this hot dog is fueling them up. That's pretty leaky. Is it just full? Does it fill really fast? Man, James be watching this like, dude, Linus, what are you doing? Oh, man. Okay, well.
Yeah, it's gotta be enough for now.
Sure, let's see. You guys ready?
Safety glasses.
Safety glasses? I'm using a lighter.
Yeah, you can't be trusted.
Safety glasses, please. Okay. Ooh, hey, it is green. Okay, we're gonna have to go in the bathroom though, because you're not gonna, if we're in sunlight here. Come on, check this out. Woo! Okay. Legitimately kind of cool. Wow, she throws some heat. Apparently, these prongs up here can get quite hot and you should not touch them during extended periods of operation. Ow. Evidently that wasn't extended enough. The bottom though is supposedly insulated so it won't get hot. Man, these are kind of heavy, eh? Woo! All right, let's go try and burn some stuff. Apparently the first thing we're gonna do, sponsored by dbrand, is cook popcorn. What?
It's
like that?
It's childproof, yeah, I can't.
Here, I can open it. Well, move your hands, man.
Oh,
ow, I didn't move my hands.
Health and safety.
Oh yeah, look at that. Cracked her open just like that. Any problem you can't solve with fire is a boring problem, don't bother. Man, I burnt myself already.
Whoa, health and safety.
Oh yeah, no, I definitely do need these for this. Where'd the oil go?
dbrand didn't send oil.
They didn't send oil. We didn't get, you can't make popcorn without the oil. This is not gonna work. Yeah, you need the oil, man.
I do have Jiffy Pop.
Yeah, let's go with Jiffy Pop. This is not my fault. I knew we needed oil. Don't blame me for our stupidity here. What's the temperature the flame reaches? 1,400 degrees?
It goes between 1,400 degrees Celsius or 2,600 degrees Fahrenheit.
Uh-oh. I see oil leaking through the bottom. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's hazardous for sure. But okay, check out dbrand. www.shortlinus.com. They've got high quality skins, they've got phone cases, they've got skins for game controllers, laptops, phones, all that good stuff. I don't think this is working.
It's not supposed to smell like that, is it?
No, I don't think it's supposed to sound like that either. I've never made Jiffy Pop before. Are we supposed to take to open, gently lift the tab and pull along the dotted line? Are you supposed to have the paper top on while you cook it? There we go. Okay, that's better. Will it not pop if you have the paper thing on top or what?
It wouldn't expand, but it should pop.
Yeah, you'd think something would have popped by now, you know?
Oh, it's on fire.
Is it?
I think so. I saw some flames on this far side, yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that, it is on fire. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling pretty appetized right now. It smells delicious. Well, let's see how we did. Oh yeah, we made our way through the bottom there. So that might be part of the problem. Yo, Belle!
Yo!
You got another Jiffy Pop?
Do we have another one? No.
We bought one Jiffy Pop?
A business team, am I right?
All the oil leaked out.
Yeah, we do have other food.
Oh, we got other food? All right, let's make some other food. Well, surely we couldn't screw up roasting a maple flavor marshmallow? Wow, that's the most July 1st thing I think I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Tremendous. Okay, surely I couldn't screw this up. Oh yeah, baby. Wow, she really throws, doesn't she? You know what? As far as Hacksmith themed novelty lighters go, this is my favorite one so far. Don't you dare, buddy. Don't you dare. Damn it. I've never tried a maple flavored marshmallow before. Yeah, it's not better. God, I love marshmallows. Like an actual child when it comes to marshmallows. Like an actual child when it comes to wieners too. Unfortunately. Poor Yvonne. What, she always has to buy me wieners.
Yeah.
What? Dude, I'm hungry. You guys caught me before lunchtime. You didn't think I was actually gonna be making and eating food.
You gotta make 3. And look at how I'm standing here.
Yeah, this thing's tiny. Whoa! Look at her go. Oh, geez, okay. Yeah, I'm not convinced that the flame adjustment dial does that much. Appetizing?
Yeah, look at those grill marks.
Oh yeah. Is that? We're good. I better not get a copyright strike for that ice cream truck.
I think it's Dudline is what I do.
Oh yeah? Okay, well which half do you want then?
I'm not, that pole is gonna be hot. I can't eat off that, that's health and safety. Yum.
It's warm.
It's cooked thoroughly.
Here, get over the other end.
By the way, the pack was $1.50.
Yes, it was. It's a very unpleasant temperature. It's like body temperature, you know?
Mechanically separated chicken. That's fine. Robot separated the chicken.
Next up, we've got what happens if my grade 6 film project had a slightly higher budget. I will be dueling Grogu. He doesn't get a lightsaber.
Your robe, sir?
Oh, thanks. Okay, what is this? This isn't a Sith robe. This is some Halloween costume. This is a Grim Reaper costume. You can't fool me.
Execute Order 66.
So at $85, is it the most affordable novelty lighter? No. Is it fun? Yeah, I think so. Oh, for those wondering, by the way, I was serious in the intro. I do daily drive one of the OG ones of these. Daily for my bath. I light my candles. I don't normally fight baby Jedi. Oh, that's unfortunate. But he's not done burning. He's not dead yet. He's gonna, I mean, you saw what Maul came back from.
And somehow Grogu returned.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to ShortCircuit. Normally it's not like this, I promise. It's like tech products.